In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a Google Chrome profile on your taskbar, making it easier and quicker for you to access your frequently used Chrome profiles directly from your desktop. This process is a simple, yet incredibly useful way to manage multiple Chrome profiles, especially if you switch between work and personal accounts often. Let's go through the steps together. Firstly, you'll want to begin by opening the Google Chrome profile that you wish to pin to your taskbar. If you're not sure how to switch between profiles, simply click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the Chrome browser. This icon typically resembles a small circle with a letter symbolizing the active profile. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with a list of all the profiles you've created. Select the one you want and make sure it's fully loaded. Once you have the desired Chrome profile open, take a look down at your taskbar where your applications are laid out. You should see the Google Chrome icon representing the profile you have open. Now, here comes the crucial step. You'll want to right-click on this Chrome icon while the intended profile is active. This action will bring up a context menu. In this menu, look for the option that says Pin to Taskbar. Click on it, and you will see the Chrome icon remain on the taskbar even if you close the browser window. This pinned icon acts as a shortcut specifically for the profile you chose to pin, providing you instant access in the future. To ensure it's been pinned correctly, go ahead and close your current browser window. Now glance at your taskbar. Your pinned Chrome profile should be visible there. Clicking on this icon will immediately open that specific profile, saving you the hassle of navigating through multiple steps every time you want to use that account. Remember, you can repeat these steps for as many profiles as you like, making it extremely convenient if you manage different profiles for distinct purposes. It's also worth noting that should you wish to unpin the profile from the taskbar later, you simply need to right-click the pinned icon and select Unpin from Taskbar. In summary, pinning your favorite Chrome profiles to the taskbar is a quick and convenient way to streamline your browsing experience, keeping your digital workspace tidy and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Google Chrome profiles with ease.